Today, all metaverse look the same, but they should be as unique as you are. They should be easy to create and customize by individuals like you and me. That's United. Be excited to get on the next level of shopping with better presentation by interaction, open 24/7 on your own or with friends.
Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick video where I want to give you a little introduction to our new United Virtual Mall, a place where you can easily buy and rent 3D stores to make your products and services three-dimensional, experienceable, to stay in the minds of your customers in the long term. The first step is always creating a new shop owner account if you want to sell your own products. If you only want to experience it as a user, you can simply create a user account. But in this example, we create a shop owner account, and once all those informations are filled out, you can directly jump in the game. In the game, you will find a big mall. Inside of the mall, you will find many different stores, and some of the stores will have a little signage in front of the store which say for sale, and those stores with the sign you can easily interact with and buy or rent this specific store. And once you bought this store using PayPal, you can easily start customizing your store. The store customization works in a way where you only need to select out of many different store templates. A store template includes all the shelves and furniture inside the store, and those are pre-made templates we offer to cut down our hosting or our creation costs, and those makes it as easy as never before to create your own 3D store. Once you selected your template, you can easily start uploading your first custom products. The only thing you need to do is uploading your 3D models of your products. But don't worry, if you not have any 3D models already, we can help you create those as well. Once all your products are uploaded, you can start selling them. And here we will jump over into the customer's perspective. As a customer, you can easily walk to any store and interact with every product you can see there. Once you are interacting with the product, you are able to 3D rotate and inspect every product to get a better overview about the product and all the details. Also, for example, for clothes, you can also try them directly on, and you can easily see if they fit to your 3D character, which look maybe very similar to you in real life. And like this, you can easily see which clothes look good to you and which combinations will be the best. This will also have the positive impact for you as a shop owner that less returns will get sent to you back. Also, the checkout process is very easy. You see a product which you like, then you can easily add it to your shopping basket. Once it's in your shopping basket and you're done shopping, you can easily check out through PayPal, and then an order will get generated. You as a shop owner see the order with the details of the products and also user informations that you can directly ship the product to the customer in the real world. And the customer have the benefit that he already have the product in the virtual world, that he can, for example, also wear the clothes in the virtual world, but he also see the order and informations when the product will arrive. One very special thing we offer is exporting our games so they are easily accessible and easily playable over any website. Our goal is to remove any barriers customers might have to enter your virtual store, so you can easily integrate them to your existing website. Like this, your website will look unique, and in the long term you need to spend less money in ads because you will stay in the minds of the customers who entered this metaverse. They will always remember you because you are one of the first movers which are innovative. You build up returning customers very easy, which will over time convert into fans of your brand. Our main target group is not the VR space, as I mentioned before, but of course our solutions also work in VR. We have a full body IK rig, so you can also easily meet new people in multiplayer and meet new friends. But also big enterprise shops and worlds can get built, which will boost your branding and marketing. You will attract new customers, you will generate leads, and you will also make sales. Those are all things which currently don't really work good in traditional metaverse platforms. Those can only get used for branding, but not really to sell anything or to get any new leads, which you can directly convert into sales. So as you already saw, we are able to offer small businesses virtual stores using templates in our mall, but we are also able to create big, fully customized enterprise stores which are tailored to the needs of our customers, which can also get easily integrated to any website and will create a really immersive shopping experience to stay on the minds of your customers. But we are also able to create your own individual mall to earn money through the rent of your stores. And if you're now interested in getting your own free metaverse, then you can easily apply on our website for a free strategy session where we will work out a plan together how your brand or your company can easily enter the metaverse or virtual spaces in general. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.